Did you know the secret art of turning lead into gold began on the banks of the Nile? Let's uncover the Egyptian roots of alchemy. From the very beginning, our story today is brought to you by the letter K, as in Chemia, the ancient Egyptian name for our planet Earth. You see, the land was called this because of its rich, fertile soil, which the yearly floods of the Nile River deposited there. In other words, thanks to the river, the ground was black, or black earth. And that color had a name in Egypt, Chemia. And that name had a name in Arabic, Alchemia. It means the art of Egypt, or the black land. And that's where we got the word alchemy. But alchemy wasn't just about making gold. In fact, the word alchemy comes from Arabic, as does the word for chemistry. So while alchemy is often associated with trying to turn lead into gold, that wasn't its main purpose. That was just a rumor spread by outsiders who didn't understand what Egyptian priests were doing in their labs, because really, alchemy was a kind of mystical science that combined real chemistry with spiritual ideas like Ma, cosmic balance, and Heka, magic. What the Egyptian priests were doing in their labs was using secret recipes to make ordinary copper look like shimmering gold for their temples and statues. For example, they would mix powdered glass with orpiment, a yellow arsenic sulfide, and then apply the mixture to copper to make it look golden hued. Now that's alchemy, and it started in Egypt. Now those copper coatings may seem simple today, but alchemy was more than just turning one metal into another. For Egyptian alchemists, metals were tied to the gods, and their properties reflected divine forces. Gold represented the sun, iron was for the sky, and silver symbolized the moon. By understanding how to transform them, Egyptian alchemists sought to unlock the secrets of the universe itself. But alchemy wasn't only about making gold or understanding the divine order of the universe. It was also about experimentation. For example, when the Egyptians experimented with mummification, they discovered that human bodies could be preserved by removing internal organs and replacing them with fragrant substances. This led to the creation of perfumes and cosmetics, which were often given as gifts to the gods. Additionally, Egyptian alchemists were among the first to experiment with colorful dyes, creating shades that were prized throughout the ancient world. And it all started with alchemy, the mystical science born on the banks of the Nile. So the next time you hear about alchemy, remember its magic began under the Egyptian sun. Like and follow for more ancient secrets. Thanks for watching.